Hello everybody and welcome to another fresh YouTube episode of Sanskriti Kolkata. Myself Lalia Dattagupta. Today's episode 189th episode, and today's episode will be a mixed bag collection episode of economical range budget friendly sarees. So watch till the end. First product is a Madhubani printed linen. These are blended linen. These are not cotton linen. These are slightly blended. Definitely it has cotton in it, but not silk. 2350 only in Madhubani printing. Very soft. Of course, it's comfortable. Don't worry about that. It has a bandhej block printing in the body. This is print. This is print. Product number 1. 2350 only in navy blue. Madhubani printing sari with tassels. It has a matching blouse piece and the color is in navy. It's a very smart sari according to the range because the blouse that I will be giving you with this is a Madhubani printed blouse. So 2350 for a linen printed Madhubani. Product number 1. Ideal for gifting, for regular wear, and you always need sometimes sari just to wear regularly or to gift also. So these are pretty saris, 2350 range. These will be good quality. Don't worry about the quality. We have another color in this, which is an olive. I show many prints in this. Before episodes also I had shown many prints, and these are very much in demand because of the price and of the concept in this range. Bandhej and Madhubani fusion in printing linen. See the border print and the pallu print, and see the tassels also, nice cute tassels. Only 2350 for this. And this will have this blouse piece. Again, printed blouse piece. Make the blouse with this and wear it. It will look very fashionable on wearing. See the color. It's a very rich color combination of moss green color. Product number 2. And the third color in this concept is a magenta color. All with border pallu, Madhubani, and body in bandhej print. And here comes your tassel with this. With printed blouse piece. So those who are looking for budget friendly sarees for gifting or for regular use, so you can go for these kind of options. Today I'll be showing you many options in this range. Pretty magenta. These I had shown before also, but now these are new embroideries that has come. These are art tussar with Kashmiri embroidery. Range wise excellent because of the neat embroidery. Though this is machine work, but see the intricacy of the embroidery. Just like the shawl work we see in the Kashmiri shawl designs, that has been done in the border throughout. Very intricate embroidery. Each paisley has so many cute petals. Very intricate work. Absolutely uncommon. With a corner buta, price 4500. Corner buta 4500 is for this art tussar. Comfortable. You will find we are selling it for many years now, and where people are giving us very good reviews. So this is a brown color, and all these will come with a contrast red blouse piece, maroonish red, deep red semi silk blouse piece in solid color. Here is the corner butta and the embroidery for you. So all coming with this maroon blouse piece. Now each work I will show you first closely. This is in blue and then this is the sari. This is the corner butta for this. Body with butta. These have just come, so we just have to the threads needs to be just removed. This is the embroidery. $4500 for all these, and all comes with a maroon blouse piece. This is the maroon blouse piece. Wear it with this blouse, it look very nice. Dark charcoal grey color. Charcoal black color combination. Again, see the work. Corner butta. Same price, 4500 with maroon blouse piece. It has a caught piping also, and see the neat finish at the back also. With tiny buttas all over. See, I'll show you, this is such exquisite work. This, see the butta. It just looks like hand embroidery. Border, very good work, very neat embroidery. Here comes the corner butta. Okay. All the blouse pieces will be in maroon, so I am not showing all the blouses, but all same color blouse piece, because the color chart is same of the thread work, only the body color is changing. This is another greyish color. All the colors are earthy tones, very interesting colors, and the sari itself has a nice texture in it. The texture gives it a tussar feel, but these are semi tussar, these are not 100% pure, these are blended, but the fabric is good. People have given good reviews, and we are selling this at least one sari every day in the store. So people love these fabrics and the concept because of the work in this range. Now coming to a black color. Jet black, corner butta, body booty, black and maroon BP. You can visit our branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, near the Citizen Park, and we have the other branch. We are a 26-year-old store, 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, near the Ballygunge railway station. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. All these will be uploaded, the still pictures, in our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata. Link is provided. All you have to do is like the page and check out the photos in case you want to see the still pictures of this other than the video. First come first serve basis. These will be uploaded in the album. You can check out our Sui Dhaga collection, in our party wear collection. These will be uploaded. Then the other sarees will be uploaded in the, which are below 4,000, will be uploaded in the album sarees within 4,000. This is a tussar color. Very nice embroidery. Again corner buta, just like the Kashmiri shawls. See the work. This is where the finish is. All over buta, very rich work, and this red blouse, deep red blouse, maroonish. 4500, product number 9. This is the blouse piece. And the last color in this is the gorgeous mustard. This buta is different from the other butas, but all corner buta with body buta and maroon blouse piece. Product number 10. $4500. Only this particular sari will have a red blouse piece. The others that I showed will have a maroon blouse piece, because this is a different embroidery chart. Now coming to product number 11. All of you are familiar with this, because I have shown you many prints in previous episodes, many designs and many prints, and still it is so much in demand. Now that few more new prints have come, though these are all similar type, because these are all kalamkari block printing done in Chanderi with Katha, and only 2,990 rupees. So overall the package is really tempting. 2,990 for this Chanderi kalamkari Katha sequence. Very pretty color of bottle green. Handwork Katha with block printing blouse piece with the border. In this range, Chanderi and that also kalamkari, it's all over Katha. See the Katha work, border and the all over jal Katha kaj along with sequins, run stitches. So it's the whole look is gives a very rich look, and with tassels. 2,990 rupees only for this bottle green. Product number 11. Now I'll be showing you the 3 colors I have in this. This is navy. Number 12 is in navy. The pallu is very rich, so is the body, and of course I will show you the blouse. The blouse will also be very pretty. This is the pallu part. Here is the blouse piece. Very smart sari. And the last color is the burgundy. Very soft, lightweight, and comfortable, rich colors. Peach pallu, and body will be in burgundy, and similar type the blouse piece will also be in buta. Make this sari blouse only. It's a very good fabric. So, and the print matches very well with the sari. This is the blouse piece border. And the best thing is it has a nice ikat border also, you know, ikat printed border along with kalamkari. Can you see the border? It's a very smart ikat border with kalamkari block in the body and prominent bright pallu. 2990 for product number 13 in Chanderi. Now coming to linen zari border, product number 14 Ajrak. Linen Ajrak, earthy tone, with a self-woven sequence. The linen itself has a woven sequence weave in it, which is not stitched, it is woven along when the sari itself was woven. And the whole sari is in Ajrak printing all over, earthy tone, dark coffee color with zari border, and this little sequence that is highlighting is giving it a richer look because the sari itself is muted. It's a earthy tone, it's a dull finish color combination, but because of the zari border and the sequence, it's going to give a very rich look. Number 14 3990. Ajraks are usually done in earthy colors. And see the blouse piece, such a rich gorgeous blouse piece in zigzag. Here comes the blouse piece to go with this, paired with this blouse. Very smart sari. Range wise, these are really very uncommon. These are all Ajrak printing done in linen, but these are not the organic colored Ajrak ones. These are the normal printed ones. These are not the original hand Ajrak. You can understand from the price itself. I have another color combination. There is no hide and seek in Sanskriti. Whatever is correct, I will tell you that. I will not misguide you. Here is another nice color in this. Actually, these colors, though these are earthy, these have another charm in itself. Is it prominent? Can you see the silver, the little zari weaves in between the sequence and the print? Little shine it's giving a nice bling to the sari. A nice print also. Bold chunky prints, and that also in earthy tone, brown color, and the body color is in what I would say, it's a very deep peacock blue color. And here is the blouse piece. Now coming to product number 16, I will show you tissue jal exquisite embroidery in a color of lavender, a dusty lavender color, and see the work all over tissue weaving with all over chicken work with very tiny mirror works also. This is 16A. Lavender is 16A. See the mirror works in between the flowers. Closely see the embroidery all over. It has zari woven border and intricate embroidery throughout and very reasonably priced. Price is 4,900. Exquisite work in tissue Banarasi. And the color, as I said, is mauvish, pale mauve, with a gold zari weave throughout the tissue, and here comes a ghicha woven blouse piece to match with this. Very pretty ghicha woven blouse piece. See the sari. Sari within 4,900 rupees is sari price, and the richness is million folds. 16A. Just take the screenshot of the product. 16A. And coming to 16B, it's a biscuit color, gold look. Both the colors are very pretty. Kindly give me options before booking. In case one is sold, I can always have an option of giving you the other one if it's available. Once I confirm you the availability of the product, please make the payment in the bank account that I will provide you. After payment, give me the screenshot of your payment and your address, shipping address, PIN code and telephone number. The products will be shipped within 2 to 3 working days. Blouse if needs to be stitched will take another a week or 10 days more. See this color, equally rich, gorgeous color in deep biscuit color with gold zari weave and all over embroidery with little mica mirror work done all over. Product number 16B, 4,900 with again same blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, little mirrors here and there. Blouse piece is this. Now coming to another lemon color tissue with cross stitch. Light lemon color with cross stitch work all over, and here comes the thread work border, here the zari and all over buta. Lemon with tissue weave, linen Banarasi tissue woven, 3990 only, product number 17, 3,990 rupees, lemon color, ideal for formal morning wears, morning attire. In the mornings, these pastel colors look very pretty with this jute woven blouse piece. See closely the work. It's a machine cross stitch work with all over buta. I have a sky blue in this also. Product number 18 in sky blue. Same thing, just the color is sky. Pastel shades. So there are three, four borders in one in the lower part. The zari woven border, the chicken thread work border and the machine cross stitch border along with all over buta, and the upper part will be normal zari woven border. 3990. We are doing cash on delivery only in Kolkata. This is the blouse piece. Now, like the mannequin is wearing, these are Resham check Banarasi, check Resham Banarasi, you can say Chanderi also, but it has a texture, it has a beautiful texture, it's a very heavy quality Chanderi with Resham weave, zari border in alternate checks, beautiful rich gorgeous sari in parrot green and burgundy color. 3850, ideal for gifting during weddings also, and of course it has a very rich brocade blouse, and these checks look so bold and beautiful on wearing. See the blouse piece, this is the blouse piece, very rich brocade blouse piece, and brocade blouse within 3850 is very we are keeping very minimum margin, because we want you to all range of saris we want to cater, and that's why this is a minimum range sari and very good quality. Now I'll show you the colors in this. See, this is a teal blue color with Rani, green and teal blue with Rani, same price 3850 with brocade blouse. Even the mannequin is wearing a ready-made mirror work blouse, which we have in more colors also, like gold, Rani, black, whites. These mirror work ready-made blouses are also available, and this particular sari in check Resham Banarasi is 3850. These are lightweight and rich look, gorgeous sari. Now I'll be showing you product number 20, 20 is in green. The checks are more or less same, but only the color combinations are different. This is a very nice shade of green. It's an emerald green and a coral color combination. Very pretty color combination, and see the rich border. The upper part will have a sleek border because you will be wearing it with a brocade blouse, but the whole sari is so comfortable, lightweight, and these checks looks really smart on wearing in traditional attires. Traditional checks are very different. This gives a different look altogether. And like I said, all these saris will come with these woven brocade blouse pieces. So the other one colors, I will be showing you only the sari color. The blouses will be same. This is a viridian green with red rust color combination. All the colors are so interesting, and these are without black, so though you want to give to any brides, these will look so pretty. 3850, they will love this, you know, wearing these look so smart, these checks one. Here is the blouse piece. And the last color combination in this, purple, blue, mustard. Very pretty colors. Very difficult to choose the color actually. I'm showing you and I can understand it's really difficult. All the colors are very interesting colors, and since these are two-tone and the color combinations are so uncommon, so many colors have been used, but these are really uncommon color chart. This is the blouse piece. See how gorgeous this is looking. The fall will come very well, the pleats will come very well. Now I'll be showing you some cotton linen, zari border, digital prints, florals. Firstly, since I'm draping it in over me, absolutely like, you know, cotton. It's so soft and very, you know, as if nothing, no weight. These it seems as if these are weightless. Cotton linen, very soft polish cotton linen, 2350 only, 2350 in nice florals. So these cotton linens that I'll be showing you now are in florals with blouse piece printed, self printed blouse piece, and these will be florals. This is the color. So even if you want to give to somebody aged who can't wear heavy saris, they want very light ones, these will be really very smart, good for them. I have a grey color, grey and sea green color combination. You can't believe how soft this is. And of course with this blouse piece, these are those numbers that has come out with this. Anyway, this is the blouse piece to go with this. Nice color, nice and rich, and especially, you know, you to just go and wear, you need these sarees, you know, even if you don't do any, even if you are not in a hurry, if you are in a hurry and you don't have time to do makeup or wear any jewelry, these sarees will speak a lot for you, because these are very bright looking and these are in florals, which we all love. Nice color, isn't it? With yellow, these big flowers, with silver zari border, and again self printed blouse. This is the blouse piece, self printed blouse piece. Big zari border, zari woven pallu. Very fashionable ones, you know, before we used to wear chiffons and florals used to look so nice. I think this is exactly the same fall. It is so soft, it's just giving a fall of a chiffon. This is another nice color combination. With again printed blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Now coming to what I am wearing. I am wearing a semi silk with Ajrak printing. See the color. Since I am wearing it, I can understand the fall is very good. Art Silk Ajrak printing, product number 73500. Product number 273900. Ajrak printing in art silk, very soft. I'll drape it for you, you will understand. Very soft. From far you won't understand that this is Ajrak printing in semi silk. It seems so real. And this is the blouse piece. It has a batik effect in the border and the body is in very pretty color combination. So aqua color combination, neither blue nor green. It's a beautiful shade of the sea. 27. Number 28. Another Ajrak in art silk. Zari border. It's a very good texture quality. See the zari border. This is product number 284800. It is cotton blended silk, art silk of course, not pure, but the printing is in Ajrak with zari border. A very smart looking print and the color also equally smart. 4800. It has a texture, a tussar texture, very comfortable. Whoever is buying this saree will really like it. With blouse piece in contrast printing. Even though these are blended, we always make sure we purchase the best of raw material in this range. See the look, overall look, it's so gorgeous. 4800 for this, and the last one that I am wearing, I'll explain it. This is also art silk. Ajrak printing in dark coffee color with a tinge of mehendi green. This is the pallu. And here is the blouse piece to match with this. 3500. 3500. Ideal to wear regularly, wash and wear, and very pretty one. Normal maintenance, first 2 washes you can dry clean, and then liquid detergent you can wash at home, no problem, but preferably dry clean so that the glaze is there. So this is the last one that I am wearing, 3500. This is in Ajrak printing in art silk. And the neck piece that I am wearing, see, it's matching this chunky stone with metals with the earring. 4300 is the whole set. Big, bold, chunky stone, good quality semi-precious stone. This mala and this earring comes to 4300. 4300 is for the set. And the sari price, I have already told you, the sari is 3500 is for the sari, and the neck piece and the earring is 4300. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the numbers provided. Thank you so much. Namaskar.